So hi guys, today we will talk about wildlife trade and wildlife operations conducted by the international agencies to curb the trade in the wild animals and transboundary organized wildlife crimes. So wildlife is very important for our ecosystem and our environment. So any threat to these animals and reptiles and birds to any habitat will cause the habitat destruction, and it will cause a grave threat to our environment. So it is very important to protect these animals and these habitat in the natural form itself. According to a report, wildlife trade and wildlife crime is the fourth most lucrative organized crime in our planet. So there are many agencies associated with it to curb the trade of the wild animals. So today we will talk about five major international or national operations conducted by the agencies to protect and save these animals. So first is Operation Clean Art. So it is a first major operation conducted by our Wildlife Crime Control Bureau to protect the mongoose and to curb the trade in mongoose hairs, because these mongoose hairs are traded to the South Asian countries where they have taboo and a medical value associated with it. So these mongoose are being hunted, and this trade has been happening in our country. So, as per Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, mongoose is a Schedule 2 wild animal, and it is has a protected under this statutory kind of legislation. But as per IUCN, the mongoose is animal of a least concern. But according to CITES, Convention on International Trade on Endangered Species, as per CITES, this mongoose have a zero quota commercial trade value associated with it. So this mongoose cannot be traded for any of the parts for live or dead animal, anything. It's an illegal as per this convention. So environmentally speaking, there are six species of mongoose in India, and of which Indian grey mongoose is widely hunted. So India Wildlife Crime Control Bureau conducted Operation Clean Art, so to protect the mongoose from traded for its mongoose hairs. The second is Operation Thunderbird. Operation Thunderbird, it has been organized. It's a combined. It's a joint effort by the Interpol and the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau to protect the multi-species trade and transboundary organized wild crime. So to protect this, they organized Operation Thunderbird. The third important operation is Operation Save Kurma. So it is also been joint effort of Interpol and the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau to protect olive ridley turtles. Olive ridley turtles, these are these are marine species of turtle. They are mostly commonly founded in the Odisha coast. That is called as Garimata Wildlife Sanctuary. It is there in Odisha. It is a famous nesting ground. It's a breeding ground for the olive ridley turtles. So to protect this species, the Interpol and the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau conducted a joint operation called Operation Save Kurma. They established safe nesting grounds from the human intervention. So these turtles will come to the shore and they get breed and they lay eggs and this happening. And the similar kind of operation conducted by the Indian Coast Guard in the same Garimata Wildlife Sanctuary is called Operation Oliva. This is also to protect the olive ridley turtles in there. And the fifth most important operation is Operation Blizzard. Operation Blizzard is conducted by the Interpol, EUPOL, and other 22 countries, including the India, United States, against the trade in reptiles, like especially the wild reptiles, both the live and the reptile products. So to protect this Operation Blizzard, has been conducted, and it's an annual operation to protect the wildlife reptiles from trading. Thank you.